You guys all look amazing. I see you representing. I'm here representing Sudan. So anyone from Sudan? Where my East Africans at? Okay, where my West Africans at? Yeah. Where's my South, North? Where are my Africans in general? Where we at? Listen, because we're all one. And we always unite as one every day. So, all right, I'm going to share some new music with y'all. This first song is called Yalla. That means let's go in Arabic. So this is encouraging us to go after our dreams, go after what we want to pursue in this world, and to go after freedom. So let's get it. It's Yalla. Yalla, 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 namshi akhi, yalla, 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 namshi akhi, yalla, 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 yalla. Salam alaikum to the wave. The ocean is my peaceful place. Won't let fear get in my way. Pursue my passion every day. Won't fold, I won't ever cave. I just live life for today. No one can take my joy away. I'm free like a bird out the cage. Yalla, yalla, hey. Yalla, yalla, namshi akhi. Yalla, yalla. Yalla, yalla. Yalla, yalla. Yalla, yalla, namshi akhi. Yalla, yalla. Yalla, yalla. Yalla. Hey, yalla, 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 hey, yalla, arah, 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 arah. Sprinting towards my dream seems like I'm running the same place. Life is moving faster, feels like I'm at the same pace. I attract the blessings and I know that I won't chase. Everything that's meant to be will be. I know the way, knowing the way to my heart and mind, knowing that I am one of a kind, knowing the way to my heart and mind, knowing that I am one of a kind. Let's go, yalla, yalla, hey, yalla, yalla, namshi akhi, yalla, 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 namshi akhi, yalla, 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 yalla. All right, I appreciate y'all. Feel free to be free, you know what I mean? It's a beautiful Saturday. You can get up and dance and move, and I always tell people, feel free to be free, because that's all we got in this world, right? In community, so. All right, this next song, I appreciate y'all. Y'all dope. Hey. So this next song is called Ya Salam. So this song is all in Arabic. This is for Sudan. If you guys don't know what's going on in Sudan, there's a massive war and genocide, as there is all over the world, as we know, in Congo, Palestine. But this is very close to my heart. This is where my family is from. So Ya Salam is an expression of like, oh, my peace. And it's basically the fact that people's peace has been disturbed by this war and this genocide. You know, we have 12 million people displaced all over the world. So this song is to raise awareness and, you know, show solidarity to our people of Sudan. So this one's called Ya Salam. Okay, prayers to Sudan. Okay, this next one I'm gonna need y'all's help. So this one's called To the Top. So I'm gonna say Tawali Fog to the top, and you guys are gonna say, and we're never gonna stop. So I'm gonna say Tawali Fog to the top, and we never gonna stop. Tawali Fog to the top. Period. Okay, let's get it. Let's go. Are you? Okay, let's get it. All right, I need all your energy for this one. It's my last song for y'all today. Let's get it. Hey. I know y'all some moves out there. Don't be shy. Hey. When I touch down, I light up the town, you know what's up. Follow my sound, goes on my crown, can't get enough. I drip, you drown, we swimming around, fill up my cup. No slowing down, ain't no breaking, you gassing me up. Tawali Fog to the top. Hey, okay, Tawali Fog to the top. Okay, Tawali Fog to the top, top, top. Hey, Tawali Fog to the top. But we never gonna stop. Wow. Hey, good things come to those who wait. Why wait? Good things come to those who wait. Yo, Tawali Fog to the top. Hey, Tawali Fog to the top. But we never gonna stop. Hey, Tawali Fog to the top, top, top. But we never gonna stop. Tawali Fog to the top. But we never gonna stop. اديني زيتي يا زبطة أنا عسل والسكر زي باستا نمشي فوق مع الأخضر يا راستا يا راستا يا راستا اديني زيتي يا زبطة أنا عسل والسكر زي باستا نمشي فوق مع الأخضر يا راستا. Ooh, never gonna stop. Yeah, 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 yeah. My vibe makes room to the energy boom robust, and I glow like the moon on a silver spoon stardust. And I'm dropping clues, baby, just trust. Our souls are two, the electro love. Tawali Fog to the top, but we never gonna stop. Hey, Tawali Fog to the top, but we never gonna stop. Hey, Tawali Fog to the top, 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 but we never gonna stop. Tawali Fog to the top, but we never gonna stop. Hey, اديني زيتي يا زبطة أنا عسل والسكر زي باستا نمشي فوق مع الأخضر يا راستا يا راستا يا راستا اديني زيتي يا زبطة أنا عسل والسكر زي باستا نمشي فوق مع الأخضر يا راستا. To the top, to the top, to the top, to the top, won't stop. To the top, to the top, to the top, won't stop. No, to the top now. To the top, to the top now.
All right. Thank you so much, Zainab. Thank you so much. That's actually a wonderful performance. Ladies and gentlemen, put it out together for Zainab, all the way from Sudan, championing the new sound called the Afro Wave. Afro Wave. Thank you so much, Zainab.
Thank you guys. Appreciate you all so much. Thank you for your energy. Shout out to the Dashiki Fest for having me. Shout out to my guy, Jante, for joining me. Hope you guys have a beautiful day. Spread some love, spread some light. Do something amazing for someone every day, as much as you can.
All right. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Spread some love. Spread some love.